how to fix MoonPay insufficient network fee. MoonPay network fee fix. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your MoonPay has insufficient fee, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, basically, if you have insufficient network error, it means that your wallet lacks enough of the native blockchain tokens such as Ethereum for ETH, ETH for Ethereum or ERC20, or SOL for Solana, or TRX for Tron required to pay for processing. So for that, you need to add a small amount of blockchain's native coin to your wallet to cover the fee. So you can do that by simply going to the Your Assets tab and trying to deposit it. You can also lower your transaction size, which is to reduce the amount you're trying to send or swap so that your remaining balance can absorb the fee, and also ensure you have selected the correct blockchain network matching your tokens. And if your balance is correct, then everything should be properly fine. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.